Masayang-masaya ang mga New York Knicks na nag-celebrate dito sa kanilang trophies mga idol. At ano-ano nga ba ang kanila dito mga sinabi no? Matapos sila ditong makatungtong sa NBA Finals at maging champion sa Eastern Conference.
Smiles, joy, once again for our wonderful ESPN crew. Be celebration tonight.
So yun, kakapanalo lang dito ng New York Knicks sa final score na 128-93. Grabe ang tinambak dito sa Cleveland Cavaliers no? Mahigit isang buwan na sweep dito sa kanilang sariling home court pa. 6 sa mga New York Knicks ang nakapagtala naman dito ng double figure. Pinapangunahan niyan dito ni Karl Anthony Towns with total of 19 points. Efficient sa shooting mga idol, 72%, 8 out of 11. Perfect siya shooting mula naman sa beyond the arc. At meron siya ditong 14 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 blocks. At sinusundan naman yan dito ni OG Anunoby na meron ditong 17 points, 6 out of 13 sa field goal. Samantalang nakapagtala naman dito ng 15 points ang kanilang team captain na si Jalen Brunson. At sa wakas no, nakatungtong rin ang ating kababayan na si Jordan Clarkson dito sa NBA Finals. Nakapagtala lang siya dito ng 3 puntos. Samantalang dito naman sa Cleveland Cavaliers no, todo buhat itong si Donovan Mitchell na may 31 points, 9 out of 18 sa field goal, 5 out of 9 naman sa 3-point line. Pero hindi talaga sapat yon para manalo sila dito. Ano naman kaya ditong nangyari kay The Bear James Harden? Nakapag-ambag lang siya dito mga idol ng 12 points, 2 out of 8 sa field goal at wala man lang ditong naipasok sa kanyang 3-point. At eto, panoorin natin dito ang kanilang trophy ceremony.
Said it right at the end of the game. So much conversation has been about the Knicks.
Jalen, come on over for me.
At natanong naman dito si Jalen Brunson kung ano daw masasabi niya nang muli siya ditong nakatungtong sa NBA Finals. Mula nung 3 taon siya, nasa NBA Finals ang kanyang ama. Eto, ang kanya naman ditong sinabi.
The belief they had in me, this coaching staff, this organization, I mean, it means a lot, but I mean, I wouldn't be here without my teammates, this fan base, I mean, without them, none of this is possible.
Siyempre, natanong rin dito ang kanilang head coach na si Mike Brown kung ano naman dito kanyang masasabi sa kanyang kupunan ng New York Knicks.
They're assembled, they're just great human beings. The players that we've assembled, and they're obviously fantastic basketball players. Every single one of the guys believe in each other in the process.
At ang pinangaralan naman dito ng MVP sa Eastern Conference Finals para dito sa New York Knicks.
By unanimous decision, Conference Finals Most Valuable Player, Jalen Brunson.
Natanong rin naman dito si Karl Anthony Towns at pati na nga rin itong si Josh Hart patungkol sa laban nila sa Cleveland Cavaliers.
So all we had to do was just put the work in, continue to believe in each other, continue to sacrifice. Because we had different expectations for ourselves. We knew that our team was capable of doing this. Continue to believe in the man above will take care of the rest. And that's what we did, and that's why we're here right now with this trophy.
Just what makes this team different?
Everybody's willing to sacrifice for the betterment of the team. You know, the high character guys that we have. Everybody wants each other to be successful.
Mike Breen, back to you.
So yun, abangan na lang natin kung sino ditong makakaharap ng New York Knicks sa NBA Finals sa pagitan ng San Antonio Spurs at Oklahoma City Thunder.
First conference finals in 27 years. Can't forget they also lost 3 finals back in the 50s in the early days of the NBA. Championship drought. They haven't won a title since 1973. But this team is certainly in the midst of one of the great playoff runs. And it looks like San Antonio and OKC might go the distance. Well, they were so fresh coming into this with the time off. The Knicks get their second straight sweep. Thanks once again for watching. We're going to send it to Atlanta.